If we could do something, we're going to do it right or not at all. And that's what pet food takes. The Next Level brand, it's a value per pound of nutrition. There's no waste in it at all. The only way to make it cheaper is to buy cheaper ingredients to make it with.
So in pet specialty, it's a race to the top. And feed and farm, it's a race to the bottom. What's in the middle is the common sense. So we wanted to develop a brand that brings all the nutrition in at a price people could afford.
When we were building the plant, naturally it takes equipment, and when it come to packaging, we had decided to call Barry Waymiller.
They said, we are building a new plant from scratch, and they told me they want to have full production within 22 months.
You know, this COVID stuff, the lead times are just crazy on equipment in general. I didn't realize how far out it was for equipment. And I thought I had plenty of time, and I waited just a little bit too long. I called Mark and said, hey, we want to look at putting a line in.
I learned that there was so much at stake for these folks. Failure was not an option. So this required some creative thinking.
They came up with a game plan, knowing that we were trying to get running very quickly.
We actually had a palletizer that was working that we use for demonstration purposes. I talked to our leadership, would it be a good idea if we offered that to US Pet Food? And leadership thought about it and said, yes, let's do that.
Mark was able to get us the equipment that we needed within 2 to 3 months compared to 18 months that we would have to normally wait.
Before we ever started running, Antoine and I, we made the decision to go ahead and put in our second line.
After working with BW for the last 2 years, it's unreal what we came from to where we are now with their Thiele and their Symach packaging. I couldn't tell you any other piece of equipment that we have here that I would trust more than the Thiele or the Symach.
Very, very proud of the equipment out there that we're running now, the 2 lines. Plan on 2 more lines, possibly 3 more lines here.
I wouldn't want to work with anybody else but BW in the packaging world. There's no way. When it comes to techs that know what they're doing, BW's got them. They stay for weeks at a time to ensure that everything after it was installed was running properly as well.
It is personal, dealing with people, even dealing with big companies like Barry Waymiller.
A lot of companies sometimes give you the runaround and whatnot, but Barry Waymiller has always been there for us. And that's how business is done.